Hi everyone, I'm Mariana, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your trail cam. So the things you need are your trail cam. I also brought a bungee cord just in case, and of course before you actually come out you want to make sure that you have all the setup options done. Read your manual because every trail cam is slightly different and you want to make sure that you know what yours can do. This is nothing fancy. It was about $100, but this is enough for me. So I know that normally you would be looking for a bigger tree, but they were either too big where my straps didn't fit, or they're small like this, but I think this is gonna be okay. So basically I'm just going to set it up right here. This is on a slope looking down, so there's a huge area that it can see. I know a lot of people set them up way high up in the tree, but I just had shoulder surgery 2 months ago, so I am not climbing any trees anytime soon. So let's get this started. So basically I'm going to put it like this. And that's basically it. So once you're done, you're basically going to open it up. Batteries are in, and I'm going to flip it to the on sign. Now I know that people often camouflage their trail cams, and I would highly recommend that, but I'm just gonna take a chance and leave it like this. This is off of a trail. It's not very often traveled. You could tell maybe one hiker here and there, and I don't think they're gonna come down here. But I know for sure that this is bear territory. I've been here before, except for I was too late. It was November, but I have seen many bear signs, bear poop all over the place, which indicated that they were here in September. So right now is June, and it's probably a little bit too early, but I'm going to come back in about a month and check it. I actually set the settings only to take pictures during the day. I'm not really interested in what's going on at night because I'm not gonna be hunting at night, obviously. So I'm hoping I will see something, and after I come back, if it's not successful, then obviously I'll move my cam. So you're going to open it, batteries are here, going to push it on, and it will blink a few times to let you know that you can now leave it alone, and that's it. So now it's going to take a picture of us, but thank you so much for watching. If you have any recommendations, any comments, let me know. Otherwise, I hope to see you soon when I check these pictures, and hopefully I see something on it.